If you are new to Jira and want to start managing projects efficiently, the first step is creating your account. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to create a Jira account step by step, even if you have zero experience. Jira is a powerful project management tool that helps teams track tasks, bugs, and workflows. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Jira website. Jira is provided by Atlassian, so you will be signing up for an Atlassian account. On the home page, click on the option like Get It Free or Try Jira. Next, you will be asked to enter your email address. Type your email and click Sign Up. You can also choose to sign up using your Google account for a faster process. After entering your details, check your email inbox for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Then, set your name and create a password to complete the setup. Once your account is created, you will be prompted to create your first site or workspace. Enter a name for your site, which will generate a unique Jira URL for your workspace. After that, choose the type of project you want to create, such as Scrum or Kanban. You can also invite team members by entering their email addresses or skip this step for later. Once everything is set up, you will be taken to your Jira dashboard. From here, you can start creating projects, adding tasks, and managing your workflow. In short, creating a Jira account involves signing up on the Atlassian website, verifying your email, setting up your workspace, and accessing your dashboard. Now that you know the process, go ahead and create your Jira account to start managing your projects effectively. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.